Hello my friends, how are you guys? Today we make coffee beans cookies. One of the delicious cookies and easy way to make. I'm sure you will love it, especially if you are coffeeholics like me. Let's start. Before we start, if this first time to watch my channel, I would be glad if you make subscribe. Please, when you like the video, make like and leave comment so we can improve from your advice. Just a simple recipe: 60 gram butter and 40 gram sugar, 10 gram Nescafe, 120 gram flour, 10 gram cacao, 1 egg yolk, and optional you can put 20 gram of milk powder. That gives more aroma and delicious. So butter, sugar, as we do in all cookies, this milk powder, flour. We keep everything except the Nescafe. Nescafe we melt it with 10 gram of water. Butter and sugar until be soft. When it's soft, you know, all cookies, the best steps or secret step, you have to make really fluffy and creamy, so it's easy absorb. This is the Nescafe. 10 gram water, 10 gram Nescafe. You melt it well. After that, you mix with butter. Butter and sugar very important to be creamy. When it's creamy, absorb more flour and be more tasty and fluffy. One egg yolk. I will keep all the recipe in the description box below. It's wonderful, as you see. Now we have to sieve all flour, coconut, cacao powder, because very important, as you see, a lot of lumps, so it will not taste good when you bite the cocoa beans cookies and you find some raw coconut. As you see, I mixed all the size. Also, if you can double the quantity, you can use hand blender or you can use KitchenAid. It's wonderful. You can see it's melting smoothly because we make the butter and sugar really creamy. We may use all the side of the pan. After that, we have to knead it very good on the table, and then also to clean the table in the same times. And when it's soft, as you see, you just roll it oval shape, and then by back of the knife you just press in the middle and you have coffee shapes. And this is the easy way to make all equal side. You make roll, as you see, small roll, all the same size, and then you just see the roll. This is the easy way to make all the cookies equal. And you cut it 1 finger each. As you see, all you just roll it, all will be the same size, same looking. You roll it, you little press, make oval shape. After that, back of the knife you bake 170 centigrade, and in 15 minutes you have that amazing coffee beans. Please don't forget to make like when you make it, and please tag us if you make the recipe in Instagram or Facebook. And bon appetit. You can see it's hashy, crispy, it's beautiful. Have a good day, guys.